what's happened. I've just put my foot down and it went boom. I haven't put it into gear yet. Right, quick mini update. I want to do a review on this, but I've been running it for quite a bit. I've just noticed it's pistol. Well, first thing I noticed was this oil on the floor. So I noticed the oil on the floor there. Open the bonnet and all oil has puddled all the way around there. So I've just took this turbo pipe off, and that turbo is full of oil. So yeah, so it has been smoking a little bit when you put your foot down. It does smoke. So I think I might just clean it up a little bit, I think. Yeah, so this Mini has done 155,000 miles, but the good thing about it is it has been doing nearly 60 miles to the gallon. So yeah, 30 quid's lasted me absolute ages. I didn't really want a diesel, but it is 20 quid a year on road tax, and it's only about 300 quid to insure for a year. So to be fair, at £1,000, it's quite cheap motoring. But the problem is it's keeping on top of all the maintenance. So I was hoping it'd last a little bit longer than this. It still runs, and it is smoking a little bit, but I've just noticed this big oil leak. So yeah, just see if I can sort this out. We'll take this pipe off and have a look, see what's happening. Right, so that's pretty clean up to there. Obviously that side is covered. Ooh, that turbo is seized solid. I should be able to turn that, and I can't. Yeah, the turbo is absolutely seized solid. Bastard. So sometimes when I was driving it, at low revs, if you was going up through first, second, third in low revs, this turbo wouldn't always kick in, but if you revved it through a bit harder, through the revs, the turbo then would kick in, and I thought it was like an actuator problem. So it never was fully a problem, but it started to be a problem. I'm not sure if it's that's exploded, but look, I don't know if it's caused a bit of back pressure. I don't know if that's the thing, and kind of gone spat a load of oil out. But yeah, that I should be able to turn that turbo, that spindle in there, a lot easier than what I can. In fact, it looks like there's it looks broken actually. That there is a condition of the turbo. I don't know what to do. I want to review this car. I want to do quite a bit in it, and I've had it 4 weeks. Right, so it did when I turned it off. I mean, I've had a van that's gone, I had a Transit that did the same thing, so the turbo went on it, but what happens is when you turn the ignition off, to turn the engine off, it sucks up oil into the air intake and it runs then off its own oil, and I think that's what's happening. So that was covered in oil, which then was going into the air intake. So I might just take this off and have a look, see if there's any oil in there. If there is, it's not good news. Right, okay, so it goes in here, all the way around into the bottom of the air filter, through the air filter, back through this airflow sensor, into here, through this side, out this side, into here, and then that there is a throttle body, and then that controls the opening and closing like a butterfly valve that controls the air intake, which then sends it across here into the inlet manifold. Right, now I've sussed that out, wiped in there, I've wiped in there. I've not gone too mad with it because I think the main problem is now it needs a new turbo, and I laughed when I first saw that because I thought, oh, turbo's right up front, that'd be easy if you had to come swap it. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to find out now how to swap a turbo on a Mini. Yeah, conveniently it is at the front, but inconveniently it needs bloody swapping. Yeah, so I thought I'd get a little bit more usage out of it. I was hoping to use this Mini until I maybe got a van, because I thought this car was cheaper than what a van was going to be. So I paid 1100 quid for it, and I thought this will just get me about to and from, do a few little jobs, because you can get a better car for £1,000 than what you can a van for £1,000. So might have to bite the bullet and buy a new van, but I was hoping that this thing would do what I needed it to do, and so far I have quite enjoyed driving it. I do quite like it, especially with the double doors at the back. It's handy just for throwing tools in and out of. So I think it is the turbo that seems to be the problem. I'm going to put everything back together. I've just give everything a little bit of a wipe down, best I can with what I've got. I haven't got much cleaning facilities here at the moment. Right, I'm going to put all this back together and I'll give you the rundown. Right, so we're put back together. So I think what I'll do is I'll order a new turbo. So the part numbers for it are just down here. I'll just give that a bit of a clean and see if I can read it. Morse code. I can just about make it out. I'll get one of those ordered. As soon as it's here, we'll get it fitted. Right. Okay, so I managed to find some matching part numbers on eBay, so I'm going to order a new turbo, and I'm going to fit it. It's not a genuine Garrett one. A genuine Garrett one is twice the price, so this is like a Temu special, Chinese shite. But I mean, if I get 10,000 miles out of it, or a year, it'll be alright. So join me on the next one where I'm fitting the new turbo to my Mini. It's a shame because I've always wanted one of these cars, and I'm not going to let it beat me. So I'm going to get to know it. I'm going to repair it, just like the old Transit back in the day. But I'll go through that on the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'll have a turbo in my hand, and we'll get this going again, and I'll review it and everything I like about it. At minute, not as much as it was. Don't like as much now as what I did, but bless it, 155,000. Anyway, right, see you later. Engine very bad. Oh my god. Ugh. Well, it didn't whistle before. Why is it whistling now? Oh, I found it. It's here. Oh. I might have forgot to tighten that. Right, back to the studio.